Welcome to the presentation on analysis of a digitizer circuit with T-network for low resistance measurement. This research was conducted by Shiraz Sohail et al. And published in 15th April 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating challenge, measuring extremely small electrical resistances. Why does this matter? Well, in our increasingly electronic world, from the tiny circuits in your smartphone to the massive power systems that light our cities, even a fraction of an ohm can make a huge difference. Did you know that a faulty connection with just 0.1 ohm of extra resistance in a high power circuit can generate enough heat to cause a fire or significantly reduce efficiency? Traditionally, measuring these tiny resistances has been incredibly difficult. Existing methods are often complex, prone to errors, or require specialized bulky equipment, and critically, current digital measurement tools, called digitizers, simply can't accurately measure resistances below 10 ohms. This leaves a critical gap in our ability to design and maintain reliable, high performance electronics. Imagine trying to weigh a feather on a scale designed for elephants. That's a bit like measuring these tiny resistances with old technology. Our solution, however, is like adding a special magnifying glass to that scale. We've developed a novel digitizer circuit that uses a technique called a dual slope integrator, but with a crucial twist: a T network in its feedback loop. Think of this T network as a magnifying glass. It takes the tiny current flowing through the unknown resistance and cleverly amplifies it, making it much easier to detect and measure accurately. This allows us to overcome the saturation and noise issues that plague conventional methods. We also tackle a common problem called lead resistance, the resistance of the wires connecting your measurement device to the component. Our circuit automatically measures and subtracts this unwanted resistance, ensuring you get a true reading of just the component itself, all with a simple two-wire connection. It's a smart, self-correcting system. So, what's the big win from this new approach? We've successfully developed a digitizer that can accurately measure resistances in the range of 0.1 to zero point 0.9 ohms, a capability previously unavailable in digitizer technology. Our experimental results show remarkable precision, with an average error of just plus or minus 0.68% across the entire measurement range. This isn't just accurate, it's incredibly efficient. The circuit operates with extremely low power dissipation in the nanowatt range, making it ideal for battery powered devices. And it's fast, providing a measurement in just over a second. This combination of high accuracy, ultra low power, and speed, all while handling the challenge of very low resistances and compensating for lead wires, represents a significant leap forward. These results aren't just numbers in a lab, they have profound implications for the world around us. By enabling precise measurement of very low resistances, we can design and manufacture electronic components with much higher quality control. Think about the tiny wires and connections inside your smartphone, an electric vehicle battery pack, or critical industrial sensors. Our technology allows for better diagnostics and performance monitoring in these devices. Because it produces a direct digital output, it can easily integrate with microcontrollers, making smart devices even smarter and more reliable. This means less need for bulky, expensive external equipment, reducing costs and complexity in manufacturing and maintenance. It opens doors for more compact, robust, and energy efficient products across many industries. Looking ahead to the next 5 years, this research will directly impact your daily life in several tangible ways. First, expect smarter and more reliable devices. From your smartphone to your smart home appliances, internal components will be precisely monitored, leading to fewer glitches and a longer lifespan for your gadgets. Second, we'll see safer technology, especially in critical areas like electric vehicles and industrial machinery. Improved diagnostics will prevent failures and enhance safety by detecting even subtle changes in critical wiring and connections. Third, this could enable new medical tools, potentially leading to smaller, more accurate wearable health sensors or diagnostic equipment that rely on very low resistance measurements for precise readings. Finally, in the realm of greener energy, better monitoring of high power connections in solar panels and wind turbines will minimize energy loss and maximize efficiency, contributing to a more sustainable future. Ultimately, this research means less frustration with faulty electronics and a more reliable, efficient, and safer world for everyone.